Diet plays a crucial role in achieving fitness and weight loss goals. As the foundation of a healthy lifestyle, what you consume directly influences your energy levels, metabolism, and overall well-being. A well-balanced diet consisting of the right mix of nutrients can fuel your workouts, enhance recovery, and help maintain lean muscle mass during weight loss. To kickstart your journey, it is essential to understand the significance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates provide the necessary energy for high-intensity workouts, while proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats contribute to hormone regulation and can also serve as a source of long-lasting energy. Striking the right balance among these macronutrients is key to optimizing both fitness performance and weight loss. In addition to macronutrients, micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals play a vital role in supporting various bodily functions. They help to strengthen the immune system, promote hydration, and improve overall health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can ensure you are getting the essential vitamins and minerals needed to enhance your fitness routine. Moreover, managing portion sizes is fundamental for weight loss. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Being mindful of portion sizes helps you create a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding pounds. Incorporating mindful eating techniques, such as paying attention to hunger cues and savoring each bite, can foster a healthier relationship with food. Additionally, hydration is a crucial aspect of dieting that is often overlooked. Drinking sufficient water not only aids digestion, but also helps regulate appetite, allowing for clearer decision-making regarding food choices. Staying well hydrated can enhance energy levels, enabling you to perform at your best during workouts. Lastly, creating a sustainable and enjoyable diet is vital. Restricting yourself to bland or overly strict diets can lead to burnout. Embracing a variety of foods and discovering healthier alternatives for your favorites can ensure adherence over the long term. Remember, success in fitness and weight loss is not just about restriction, it's about balance, enjoyment, and making informed choices. Embarking on a fitness journey requires more than just dedication. Diet plays a pivotal role in achieving optimal results. Understanding the intricate relationship between what we consume and our physical health is essential for anyone striving for fitness or weight loss. Diet acts as the fuel for our bodies, providing the necessary nutrients and energy to support workouts and daily activities. To begin, a balanced diet is crucial for maximizing performance and recovery. Incorporating a variety of foods ensures your body receives essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Proteins are key for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates are vital for energy. Healthy fats, often overlooked, support cell function and hormone balance. Focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains lays a strong foundation for a healthy diet, fueling the body to perform at its best. Furthermore, understanding caloric intake and expenditure is fundamental in managing weight. Consuming more calories than you burn leads to weight gain, while creating a caloric deficit is essential for weight loss. Tracking food intake can help individuals make informed choices that align with their fitness goals. However, it's not just about counting calories. The quality of those calories matters. Prioritizing nutrient-dense options helps keep you satiated, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking and promoting overall well-being. Additionally, hydration is often an underappreciated aspect of diet. Water aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and can even influence energy levels. Staying adequately hydrated enhances physical performance and can help curb hunger, making it easier to adhere to dietary goals. Sipping water before meals can also help limit caloric intake by promoting a sense of fullness. In conclusion, the role of diet in fitness and weight loss cannot be overstated. It is the backbone of a healthy lifestyle, influencing not just physical appearance but overall health. By adopting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, individuals can enhance their fitness efforts, support muscle development, and reach their weight loss goals. Remember, the journey to fitness is not a sprint but a marathon. Consistency and mindful eating are your best allies on this path. Start making informed dietary choices today and unlock your full potential.